And they've got some horribly wonky comb. Being they're small as they are, and I don't have a hive tool or nothing to scrape it with,
They get to keep
it for today. So the queen has been laying. The spots that look like they're misses have larvae, smaller larvae back in, so she has gone back through backfilling. That side is a lot of larvae. I would say they'll be doing a lot better after this next brood cycle. This is a good candidate to be fed though, because they've got a frame and a half pretty much. She's been laying up this frame. I don't know if you can see eggs and small larvae down in the bottom there.
I think we can. I think we can.
The other side they're working on drawing. I think a lot of these singles that we have, we probably should go ahead and start feeding this coming week. And this one don't even have a feeder though.
Don't we have an extra feeder on the side of...
Down there is a hive with an extra feeder.
I can end this if you want to take the frames out. All right.
So they have a feeder. We'll just have to bring some feed down to them. We don't have any made up right now, so we'll get some made up.
Yeah, we just bought 600 pounds of sugar getting ready. All right, till next time, God bless y'all.